Welcome to ArtMagic,
young artists, to a fun and exciting drawing adventure. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a delightful little yellow dinosaur against a rocky background. Get your pencils and colors ready, and let's dive in. Begin by lightly sketching the outline of your dinosaur. Start with a slightly elongated oval for the body, a smaller oval for the head, and short lines for the limbs. Don't worry about perfection, this is just a rough guide. Now, let's add some details to our dinosaur. Draw small circles for the eyes, a tiny triangle for the nose, and a curved line for the mouth. Add short lines along the body to represent scales, and don't forget the claws on its feet. Next, let's create the rocky background. Draw irregular shapes and jagged lines to form rocks of different sizes. You can also add some texture by sketching cracks and crevices on the rocks. Refine the outline of your dinosaur, making it smoother and more defined. Erase any unnecessary lines from the initial sketch. Add more details to the dinosaur's features, like wrinkles around the eyes and texture to the skin. It's time to bring your artwork to life with color. Use bright shades of yellow for the dinosaur's body and green for its eyes. For the rocks, choose earthy tones like brown, gray, and beige. Blend the colors smoothly to create a natural look. Add some final touches to your drawing to make it pop. You can darken the outlines with a pen or marker for a bold look. Add shadows beneath the dinosaur and rocks to create depth and dimension. Congratulations, young artist! You've successfully drawn a cute yellow dinosaur in a rocky background. Take a moment to admire your masterpiece and feel proud of your creativity. Drawing is a wonderful way to express yourself and unleash your imagination. With practice and patience, you can create amazing artworks like this one. Keep honing your skills, and who knows what incredible creations you'll come up with next. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.